are the leaders, they are the tastemakers, they are the trends. And as a kid growing up, and one of the reasons maybe I became an entrepreneur, is I learned so much from women's magazines, all magazines. My education, I found at school I wasn't getting the education I wanted, and magazines were it. Now today, if you look at, and after I've spoken, do have a look at what's happened. We were early. VIV, you don't want to read a magazine necessarily, but you can on a PC. But with the advent of this device and 9 others that are coming shortly, that this is the future of reading. Why? It's more beautiful, it's interactive, you can get so much more information, you get movement, you get sound, which printing on paper, although very popular for 500 years, this is the next millennium. You're looking at it, and all the great names in devices are all this year, and over the next 2 years will be coming out. So don't miss it. The rewards are great, and VIV being the first, we hope you'll help support us, and with Zinio, because Zinio has over 5,000 brands in the air, and now when I'm going to London, for example, I love the magazine there that's known to be English as Partners. Great, gives you the picture of England. New Science, a brilliant science magazine. You won't get them here in America in a newsstand, but I order them on Zinio. I get The Economist, which is my Bible for everyday, solid, unbiased information, and I get it before the owners do, because it's delivered to me the day it's published. So between Zinio and VIV being the test kitchen, because I believe with Zinio, it's like opening a restaurant, massive size and dimensions. But if you don't have a test kitchen, you'll never know the right way. So this is the most advanced technology, and we offer it to all publishers. We're ubiquitous on every coming device. Thank you for being here.